Across the Pacific region, gravel is vital for the construction industry. But mining gravel from rivers destroys habitats and environments. Digital Earth Pacific can help to monitor and prevent illegal activities such as gravel extraction from rivers.
Nafatungo sa rakota lemo sa siyang sartungan ganakata meluray. Ni sabe sing sabu butunawai na kenatanga binaura na nemimindaw nu numerakin na doon kay mami na besinga.
The Fijian government has moved gravel quarries inland to avoid further river damage. However, the illegal extraction of river gravel has been very difficult to monitor.
O nungulewa, o yung mga wakasa mataka, na barara na katungo, ni kito na wotiano kito na itambango, sana numir na nungu kao may muri. Meron na ngayong bulakina.
Using Digital Earth Pacific satellite imagery, governments can pinpoint the location of potential illegal river gravel extraction and coastal erosion.